What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the shop. My name is Anthony Tackett, and in today's video we're taking a look at the Fanttik T8 Apex portable jump starter. So a while back I reviewed the Fanttik NEX L1 Pro portable screwdriver, and I still use that tool to this day and I love it. So when Fanttik reached out to see if I would review this jump starter, I absolutely said yes. I love their design, I love the quality of the materials. And in today's video, things are going to be a little bit different. I have a lot of projects going on right now and I don't have the same space that I normally do. So we won't have any overhead shots or anything, but I do have some graphics and some images I'm going to pull up. And Fanttik has offered to give away one of these T8 Apex units to one of my subscribers. So stick around to the end of the video for details on that giveaway. And without further ado, let's jump right in.
The T8 Apex comes in a high quality soft shell case that includes everything you need. Inside, you'll find some documentation, the T8, and two heavy-duty USB cables. Behind a Velcro flap, you'll find the 12-volt battery clamps and a small box with a 20-watt AC adapter and a 12-volt car charger. One of my favorite things about Fanttik products is their design and overall usability. The T8 and all of the included accessories make no exceptions here. Everything is made from high-quality, durable materials and should last a long time. Jumper cables force you to rely on another vehicle, and even then, it can take a while to jump a large engine. The T8 supports gasoline engines up to 8.5 liters and diesel engines up to 6 liters, and should be able to provide up to 40 starts on a single charge. It can even jump a car after only 5 to 10 minutes of charging. The device also has built-in safety features designed to protect you, the T8, and your car's battery. I honestly haven't been able to jumpstart a car with this yet, but I'll link to a few videos in the description that cover that process. The T8 Apex is water resistant and has a 400 lumen LED flashlight with 3 different modes. For us though, it really shines as a portable power bank due to the massive 20,000 mAh battery capacity. We can charge multiple devices at the same time, and the 65-watt USB Type-C output makes it perfect for charging my MacBook on the go. I recently used it to keep 2 iPads charged for about 3 hours on a family vacation, and it barely put a dent in the battery. If you do happen to drain the battery though, it only takes about an hour and a half to fully recharge the T8. Lastly, if unused, the battery should hold a charge for up to 24 months, making it a perfect tool to keep in my truck year-round.
Well, that covers it. This was a fairly quick video, and as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I'm working with Fanttik to give away one of these T8 Apex units. So click the link in the description for your chance to win. And while you're down in the description, if you decide to pick one of these up for yourself, I do have a promo code that you can copy, and it will save you $10 off your purchase. If this is your first time to the channel, I want to say thanks so much for stopping by. If you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below, ring that notification bell, all the YouTube stuff. And until next time, I'll see you.